welcome back to another video on my channel, and I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm showing you Madam Glam's new packaging for their builder gels, and it's called Capsule Builder Collection, and they mentioned that it's limited edition on their website. So this is what it looks, guys. These bottles look so beautiful, and they are like these white color packaging, as you can see, and I've got 4 colors here. So they launched their first wave collection in February, and they come up with like 13 builder gels in the bottle, but now they've launched their new packaging for the builder gels. So I'm going to show you how they looked like before. So as you can see, these were the packaging, these were the old packaging of builder gels, and it would show here like this one is builder burnt red, and this one is builder lavender, and this one builder magenta. So these were the old packaging, and these are the new ones, and I've got like 3 similar colors, the lavender, the burnt red, and magenta, and I didn't get this one, so I'm really excited to try this. And this will called builder Meadow Green. So I really like the packaging compared to this one, because the white one like stands out on its own that it is a builder gel, because I've seen other brands, they have white bottles for their builder gels, and here, like if you can see, they have the color, they've shown the color on the top, and the bottle is just looks like a gel polish, but this one is like complete white, and their instructions are at the back, and that's the color at the front, and the name here at the back. So the bottle like stands out. If it's lying on your table, you will know that this is a builder gel. So I'm really happy that they have come up with this collection. I really like the name, like Capsule Collection. So since I've already have this one from the last one, they have the same colors. So now I'm gonna open and show you guys the consistency of the builder gel here. This is Meadow Green. So that's what it looks, guys, like very thick, beautiful jade green color. Really love it. So I didn't have this in my collection, so I'm gonna swatch this for you and show you how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna first apply a base coat and cure it for 30 seconds in my lamp. Apply first layer of Meadow Green, a very thin coat. Cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply a second coat. These builder gels are self-leveling, so I'm just gonna flip it for a few seconds and then flip it back, and now I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna lightly buff the builder gel to make it a little smoother. Now I'm gonna apply Madam Glam top coat. And cure it for 60 seconds. So the next one is Magenta. So this is a very like sheer pink color. It's a beautiful one. And here's a swatch of Magenta, because I already got this color earlier, so I already have this swatched. The next one is burnt red. It's again a very jelly consistency. And here's the swatch for burnt red. Really beautiful. The next one is builder lavender. And this one is a very beautiful pastel-y color, as you can see. Really pretty. And here's the swatch of lavender. So guys, now I have a nail trainer here which I'm gonna use to do some ombre using these builder gels. So for that I'm gonna use a meadow green and a lavender. So because since we are in spring weather, so I thought why not use a very pastel colors for the ombre. So I've already prepped the nail here, and now I'm gonna apply a primer so it will help the gel to stick. And now I'm gonna use Madam Glam base coat to the nail and cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna do the meadow green on the base of the gel for the ombre. So right over here. Make sure very thin layer. And the lavender will go over here on the top. And just with a fine brush, I'm just gonna blend these colors together. And since this is self-leveling, it's gonna self-level on its own. And I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds in my lamp. And the lavender on top. So this time I'm applying a little thicker coat. Slightly bring it down and then blend the colors together. And cure it for 30 seconds. So I'll do one more coat now. I'm just gonna flip the finger so it self-levels, and just check underneath if it's self-leveling. Now I'm just gonna flip it back. Now I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. So now for the apex, I'm just gonna add a little blob in the center, just like so, and just with the brush spread it. This is the final coat, and I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. So now with the alcohol, I'm gonna wipe the sticky layer of the surface here, just like so. And I'm really happy with the ombre here, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. But as you can see, it's a little bumpy here. So I'm just gonna file it with my nail file. Now I'm gonna apply Madam Glam's top coat, which is their no wipe top coat, and cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm really happy how this turned out and really like the ombre effect. Let me know in the comments below how do you like it. And yeah, this is what I've created using Madam Glam's builder gels, and this one is their lavender and this one is Meadow Green. I really love this combination. I'm really happy, and this is my first time using my trainer as well, so let me know if you want to see more nails on this trainer. So guys, here are the final swatches of this beautiful capsule collection from Madam Glam. I will link the collection in the description box for you, so you'll go check it out, and also my coupon code where you can get 30% off anything you buy from their website. So they also have other programs as well, like VIP and pay as you go. I'll link everything in the description box for you, so you can have a look and save some money on these beautiful gels. And these gels are limited edition only, so make sure you hurry up and get these beautiful bottles for your nail collection. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much for your support, and your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching my videos guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.